Insta360 just completely overhauled their flagship camera. With dual 1-inch sensors, a brand new AI triple chip system, and 10-bit iLog recording, the Insta360 X6 isn't just an incremental update, it's a ground-up redesign. Here is everything you need to know before the launch. If you look closely at the body of the new Insta360 X6, the first thing you'll notice is that the long, tall stick shape of the X4 and X5 is officially gone. Insta360 redesigned the X6 into a more compact, rectangular form factor, moving the touchscreen directly beneath the camera module and consolidating physical controls to two side buttons makes the camera much lighter and drastically improves mounting stability on chest rigs and helmets. The biggest headline sits directly under the lenses: dual 1-inch equivalent CMOS sensors, upgrading from the 1/1.28-inch sensors on the X5. These larger sensors capture far more light. This yields cleaner shadows, higher dynamic range, and significantly reduced noise in low-light environments. AI triple chip processor. A dedicated triple chip system handles image processing, advanced AI noise reduction, pure video, and high-precision subject tracking. For creators who do high-end post-production, this is huge. The X6 is the first Insta360 360-degree camera to shoot in 10-bit color depth with iLog support. That means over 1 billion color shades, far greater dynamic range retention in high-contrast outdoor environments like mountain hikes, and maximum flexibility when color grading your reframe shots in post. Between the form factor change, 10-bit iLog, dual 1-inch sensors, and a streamlined software interface, the X6 represents one of the biggest generational jumps the X series has ever seen. The Insta360 X6 officially launches on August 12, 2026. What feature are you most excited to try out? Let me know down in the comments. And hit subscribe for our full hands-on review on launch day.